Its topic is construction exercise 6.1. Third question is construct the angles of the following measurements. First one is 30 degree, second one is 22 and half degree, third one is 15 degree. Without protector we are going to do the 30 degree. So we need to draw a straight line. Without measurement we have to take a compass and draw a semicircle. Then we should not change the length of the compass. From here to one more arc, same measurement, first arc. Again from first arc to second arc we have to draw. From here to here we'll do third arc. From here to here if you do this is, if you join we'll get 90 degree. Now we are going to draw 60 degree and bisect for this, because first one we need 30 degree. So when we have the semicircle, and from semicircle to first arc will get 60 degree. Then first arc and this starting point we are going to join this. So this measurement is 60 degree. Verify through the protector. From 0 to 60 degree we got it. Now first one we need 30 degree. So what we should need? Bisect this 60 degree. How will you measure? So from here to here it is, here one arc, this is second arc. Same measurement also can take or different measurement, but for both the sides should be same. So from here to here one arc, from this arc to here one more arc I am going to draw. Then join this. So this is called now bisecting of 60 degree. We'll get this angle now, that is 30. So measure it or verify. From here to here it is 30 degree. We got it. This is for first one. Then third one they told 15 degree. 15 degree, how will you do? Again bisect this 30 degree. So we can take the measurement through the compass. I made it small. From here to here one arc. Again from this point to, from here, this point to here one more arc we have to do it. Then join that. From here to this starting, if you draw we'll get this angle is 15 degree. Second question is 22 and half degree. So first we have to take 90 degree. How we should do? First draw a straight line, then semicircle, again from here to it is first arc, again from here second arc, this is third arc, from second arc to fourth arc, join this, we'll get 90 degree. This is 90 degree. 90 degree bisecting it is 45 degree. So again adjust your length from here to, this is first arc, again from here this is 90 degree, no, 90 degree only we are going to bisect. So from here to here second arc, join this, we'll get now 45 degree. This is because 90 degree bisecting. Again we need now 22.5 degree, means for 45 we have to bisect. Then adjust any length for compass for both the side. So from here to here, one arc, from here to here, two arc. Then join this. We'll get, this is 22.5 degree. If you want, measure all the three, verify. We'll get 90 degree. 90 degree bisecting is 45 degree. 45 bisecting is 22 degree we'll get. Fourth question is, construct the following angles and verify by measuring them by a protractor. First is 75, 105, 135. 75 degree. First, draw a straight line. Take the compass. Draw a semicircle. From here it is 60 degree. First arc is 60 degree. Then from here to here, second arc 120. Second arc to third arc, first arc to fourth arc. Join this, will get 90 degree. This is 60 degree, means here 90 degree. So what is the gap between this two? It will become 30 in this gap. This is 60 degree we will get from here to here, full of 90 degree. Then I need 75. 60 plus 15. For this 30, if I bisect, I will get 15. So 60 plus 15, I will get 75. So what we have to do? Bisecting for this both. No need to draw the line also, it is okay. So bisecting this, I am going to take from here to here one arc. Again from here to here it is second arc. Then joining this from here to this arc. So I am going to get, this is as 75 degree. 60 plus this is 15. Here it will become 15. So 60 plus 15, 75 I will get. Measure with the protractor. So from this to here it is 90 degree. It is 60 degree. From here to here it is 120 degree second arc. From this is 70 to 75 degree I will get. Second question, they have given 105 degree. From this only 105 degree you can make, because it is full of 90. 90 to 120 will have 30 degree. So 30 degree bisecting will get 15 degree in this. 90 plus 15 will get 105. So what we did in this, same thing we have to do from this side. You will get 15 degree. So this angle will be, if you want you can give the name also. This is like O, A, B. This is C. Angle COA. COA equal to 75 we get. Now you want to find 105 means we have to bisect this side and give some name D. DOA you will get 105 because 90 plus 15 you will get 105. That is your homework, you have to do it at home. And third one also 135 they given. So till here it is 120 and 120 if you draw full you will get 180. So bisect this, again you should bisect, you will get 135 degree. Both also is your homework. Fifth question now. Construct an equilateral triangle given its side and justify the construction. We'll draw some length of the line, then we have to take the both the corners 60 degree we should measure for this. From here it is from here to here it is 60 degree. Again from this corner I am going to take one other 60 degree like this side. Join these two sides. From here to here it is 60 degree. Again from here to here also it is 60 degree. Then automatically these two lines will come meet here. This is A, B, C. Here also will get 60 degree because when we have the equilateral triangle it will be automatically equal angular triangle also. Because it is 60 plus 60 plus 60 will get 180. Sum of the three angles in triangle will get 180. 180 when we divide by 3 because we have three angles in triangle, then we will get 60 degree each. So we will get ABC is equilateral also, equal angular also. We can measure this angle, we will get 60 degree. Every angle, three angle also will get 60 degree. Then we will get the same measurement also, we can check it. So AB will get here, it is 5 centimeter. AC also will get here 5 centimeter. CB also will get here 5 centimeter. So all the three sides we are going to get 5 centimeter. Therefore ABC, triangle ABC is equilateral triangle as well as equal angular triangle also.